Price to sell, move-in ready and immediate occupancy. Clean home inspection report available for review. Wonderful opportunity for buyers looking for value and outdoor maintenance-free living. This stunning, meticulously maintained condo nestled in the serene, wooded community of the Woodlands at Austin Lake. Offering the ease of open-floor main floor living, this exceptional home boasts approximately 3,200 finished square feet. Step inside to an inviting front foyer featuring gorgeous luxury vinyl plank flooring that flows seamlessly throughout the main level. Designed with both everyday comfort and entertaining in mind, the gourmet chef's kitchen is a true centerpiece complete with abundant cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a stylish tile backsplash, and spacious walk-in pantry. The center island with snack bar opens effortlessly to the great room, creating the perfect space for gathering. The primary suite is a luxurious retreat, featuring a tray ceiling, spa-like bath with dual vanities, a large shower, linen closet and an expansive walk-in closet with custom shelving. Enjoy the versatility of a main floor office or sunroom, offering direct access to a private composite deck with peaceful wooded views ideal for relaxing or hosting guests. The main level also includes a generously sized guest bedroom, a second full bath, and a large mudroom with laundry for added convenience. Downstairs, the finished daylight basement expands your living space with a spacious recreation room, separate bar or game area, third bedroom, third full bath, and an impressive storage area perfect for all your needs. Enjoy easy access to community amenities, including common areas and scenic walking/biking trails leading toward Vicksburg, near completion. You're also just minutes from local restaurants, shopping, and the beautiful Ramona Park at Long Lake. For added peace of mind, the HOA covers all exterior maintenance, including groundskeeping, snow removal.